Or it's a name in the dirt to the Democrats when they can use to attack a judge. Folks, these...
This is an urgent message from the Nevada Department of Emergency Management and the Clark County Emergency Management. Authorities have confirmed that a major breach of the Hoover Dam in southern Clark County is likely within the next few hours after a thorough inspection and analysis of the dam by emergency management. A total and complete breach is likely, and areas within 20 to 30 miles from the dam are in immediate danger. The cities of Boulder City and Laughlin are now being placed under a mandatory immediate evacuation. If you are in these areas, you are heavily advised to leave now. Areas within the Las Vegas metropolitan area are also at risk. Authorities will determine whether to expand the evacuation boundaries as soon as more information comes in. The flood levels in the areas are expected to be extremely high. Please follow all evacuation routes set up by emergency management and follow all instructions as they become available.